Hey traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Got my coffee, so I'm ready. Let's start with the breakout. This is the same breakout that we've been following since February, but you can see, we started with 5,000. It's at 10,248 now. Since the February, really it's March, because February, it was the last day of February. So March to the beginning of November, so March through October basically, and we're up 105%. All right. Now we were up 100% here within just a few months, and then we had that rough time here, right? So if you got in here, you might have had a rough time, but now, even if you got in at the very top, if you're one of those guys that just got the worst luck in the world and said, hey, this breakout bot's great, man, I'm going to start, let's do it right here, and then you did this on June, you would have, I feel bad for those, but it's just the way the market is. But if you had just closed your eyes and held on, finally you'd be back to break even. This might be a summer thing. I'm working on ways to eliminate this stuff, but right now doing good again, and you can see the potential in a very short time to double. Here we went from 0 to double in like 6 weeks. All right, and then we had a flat time, and here again we went from almost flat 2% up to a double in all of September, in 8 weeks. So you can see within 6 weeks it doubled, within 8 weeks it doubled. We don't know, like if this is just a summer thing, which I'm thinking a lot of the trend type strategies just took a dump in June, right? If that's just a summer thing, then this here could be connecting to something up here. So we might get a continued run up through February and March. If you take this and you stick it on the end of this, we could be way up here, and then we might have to take another hit in June. If we take another hit in June, I'm going to program this thing to just ignore the summers. All right? So overnight, let's see what happened. So we had 3 trades overnight, and we lost 1 for 15 and 2 made for 30. Pretty sweet deal there. So it's hitting 33 to 40% of the trades, basically. So somewhere in the middle there, 35-36% of trades, about a little more than a third of the trades. And look at the risk to reward there. So that loss is 15. The average win is a little over 30. So a 2 to 1 on the average win is the whole key with these. All right, so 1,200 pips we've amassed in 600 trades. The expectancy of 2 pips, over 2 pips, that's nice. All right, I like that. And we've taken how many trades now? We've got 600 trades, so it's starting to withstand the test of time. All right, so you can see the losing days and the winning days. If I take the growth off, boom, this is just the number of pips. All right, so you have losing days, plenty, but you have the winning. The green ones are taller. See that? The green shoots are taller than the red ones. This is the breakout, so we'll keep you guys posted. But you can see for a free strategy, and I include the breakout bot free with all the VTA memberships. So you don't have to be a lifer to get the breakout, but it's not as programmable as all the other ones. You kind of just, the strategy is what it is. I've now added a few more programmable options, but yeah, keep an eye on this one, guys. Breakout bot, it's on a tear.